The RK RKS70 Split Keyboard offers a versatile tri-mode connectivity, allowing users to switch between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired options effortlessly. Its ergonomic split design, combined with adjustable feet and a thick wrist rest, ensures comfortable typing for extended periods. The keyboard features hot swappable mechanical switches, enabling users to customize each key without soldering, enhancing its adaptability. With dedicated programmable macro keys and RK software support, users can optimize their workflow and gaming experience with ease. This keyboard has wide compatibility, seamlessly connecting with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android devices, making it highly versatile. The compact and robust design, along with visual indicators for function keys and battery status, adds to its user-friendly nature.